Your Honor.
Senator Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, appearing with and on behalf of Mr. John Fulton. Mr. Fulton, please state your name for the record.
John Fulton.
Thank you. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for the probable cause conference. We'll be waiving the preliminary examination and going to be go over to circuit court where we believe this matter can be resolved.
Is that correct, Mr. Fulton, that you're waiving your right to a preliminary exam?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll let you finish signing there, but there. You understand that where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them.
Yes.
You understand you will not have that hearing and that you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes.
People also waive their right.
Yes, sir.
Preliminary examination having been waived, been found over to circuit court on all.
Thank you, Your Honor. We acknowledge receipt of the information and we waive its reading on the record. My client was.
Bye, Constantino. Never mind.
Great to see you.
Yeah. Always a pleasure. Go ahead. I'm sorry, Mr. Brown.
My client will stand mute.
Defendant every way former reading standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea as to all 3 counts. Pre-trial in this matter will be set for
June 10th at 1:30 p.m. in Judge.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Yes, sure.
June 10th, 2025, 1:30, Judge Company.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we address the issue of Your Honor, I've had a chance to submit a mitigation report to the prosecution. I've read it. At this time, we are asking that my client's bond be modified so that he can stay at the 2735 South Wagner Road address, Ann Arbor, Michigan. If the court feels that a tether would be appropriate, my client will be happy to do so. We feel that the circumstances of this case warrant release to that address. He is not a danger to the community at large. He will return to all future court dates.
Your Honor, Mr. Brown did provide me with a mitigation report with respect to his client. In reading that report, with some information provided, I would not have an objection by the defendant is on a tether that he be released while this case is
Home confinement.
That would be my preference. I don't believe that he has a reason that would conflict with his life.
It's okay.
It's a defendant's bond at $30,000. Personal recognizance. Defendant may be released on a home confinement tether. That tether has to be in place prior to his release.
And which judge is this going in front of?
Good Kunke.
Okay.
Every lawyer's sentence is a weapon. Every pause, a tactic. You can tell who's winning not by what they say, but by who's sweating. The courtroom isn't just about law, it's theater with real stakes. And here, the applause is replaced by consequences that echo long after the verdict.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so that one might hit. That's fine. Okay. So are they ready on the other? Court calls case first, Ammerman.
Morning, Your Honor. Alex Warren, Green on behalf of Ammerman. Your Honor, I reached out to Mr. Ammerman. We did not receive any correspondence in return. For the record, I'd ask for an adjournment.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set at 10,000 cash surety.
Thank you, Your
That
Honor.
warrant will issue immediately. Court calls case People versus Douglas Hill.
Stephanie Cannon. On behalf of Mr. Hill.
Your name, sir?
Douglas Hill.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are going to be asking for a brief adjournment on this matter. But with the adjournment, we'd also like to address bond.
Without objection, probable cause conference, June 12, 2025, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, as
Do I have a
to
green sheet?
bond,
Do I have a green sheet?
I'm working on, Your Honor. I have a few of them in my hand. I'm so sorry. As to the bond, Your
I
Honor,
was going to be adjourned, I see. No need to comment. Go ahead.
thank you, Your Honor. And my pen,
Oh, Cannon, really? It's just one of those days.
it went under the lectern, Your Honor. My pen went under the lectern. I'm so sorry. Here we go. As to Mr. Hill, there's the green sheet. Thank you. I'll get it eventually. As to bond, Your Honor, my client has a appointment on June 2nd with the IRS regarding a very serious matter. He is requesting a furlough for that day, just so he can meet with the IRS. He'll come directly back.
Taxes?
So yeah, so he's, this meeting was set.
What it was about. And he
Well,
said taxes.
he said tax.
No, don't worry about it. I don't even know why she asked that
Well,
question.
yes, Your Honor. So it is a tax matter. I didn't want to go too far into.
No, I don't.
Okay.
If he's got the appointment, I just need proof of the appointment. Maybe I'll consider
And
it.
we can do it in writing.
Yeah, you'd have to do something in writing regarding that.
Perfect. Your Honor, in addition to that, as you know, my client was, the last time he was up, the court did remand him because he was testing positive for substances that he should not be testing positive for. My client at that time was trying to get into a treatment program. Matter of fact, he came from, he was after court, he was supposed to go be scheduled to be screened. My client is asking if he can be released to inpatient treatment, if the court would allow that.
For inpatient treatment, if you send me an order that's stipulated to, certainly I will sign it.
Perfect, Your Honor. Then I'll make it
I'm not
a,
going to object to release the income.
perfect. Then, Your Honor, with that, I believe we are all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I'm gonna,
Thank you.
can I-
At this point, his bond will continue. And I'm not saying, so that we're clear, I'm not saying I grant the furlough, but I
It
need to
would-
see information. Thank you. Really, Cannon. Did you get your pen?
thank you, Your Honor. Yes.
Court calls the case People versus Roderick Bates.
A good judge doesn't just hear words, they read souls. Every lie flickers in the eyes, every truth trembles in the voice. And sometimes justice isn't about punishment, it's about revelation. The moment when everyone finally sees who's been wearing the mask all along.
So. The dish is ready. Who's the other one? Bukovich and Shitnausen? Okay. Your name, sir?
Roger Bates.
I'm sorry, Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender for Mr. Bates. Sorry about that. Your Honor.
What are we doing?
Your Honor, I'm asking the court for a brief adjournment to go over this matter. some more with Mr. Bateson to go over more discovery. I will submit a green sheet immediately.
June 12, 2025, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you. Hold on one second.
So you think they're ready on this? Let's see if we can get. Got other stuff to do today, I'm sure.
I believe the only one that's ready is here.
Yeah. What?
I believe they don't use it for that.
Which one are you on?
Clyde George.
Taylor Cruz, what about Mr. Buckovich? What are you ready on yours?
I don't think you have an agent.
Yeah, I can be ready.
You can be ready?
Yes.
Well, didn't sound real confident, so I'll let you wait. Court calls the case, People versus Clyde Moore Jr.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Chinazi Carey, I can rule Your Honor on behalf of Mr. Clyde Moore Jr. Mr. Moore, if you're still there, could you please state your name for the record? Turn your camera on too.
I have it. He's not there. No, what are you calling him?
Just wanted to shoot a text, Judge.
I sat there and asked, were we ready on the Attorney General cases? Because this is now, she had 5. This is now the 8th case I've called, some of them duplicates. So are you expecting, Ms. Eckenrudely, that I'm going to wait for him to respond to your text?
Absolutely not, Your
Thank you.
That's not my expectation at all.
He's not here. Clyde Moore. No response. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. How much is owing in child support?
No, Mr. Moore is the one who has paid in full, Judge. And
He's
we
paid
were,
in full, but
yeah.
where is he?
he was on Zoom. I think he might have misunderstood us passing the matter and may have logged off.
This is the plea.
This is the plea. That is correct, Judge. I have the paperwork
You
here.
have the form,
I do.
but you don't have a client.
Yeah,
He needs to show up before I finish with the Attorney General cases, or I'm issuing the bench warrant, plea or no. And we'll have a captive audience. Court calls the case, People versus Rafael de la Cruz.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
On behalf of Ms. De La Cruz, Your Honor, can we please approach?
No, you don't need to approach. You're looking for an adjournment because the wrong time may have been sent to you. My staff has informed me, they can't verify it certainly, but they think that the wrong time may have been sent to the defendant. So in that instance, I will adjourn it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
See, unlike some people in your office, I take responsibility for what we made you.
Every time I
June
take
12, 2025, 9 a.m.
What's the date, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
June 12th.
June 12th. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Honor.
Yeah. Court calls case, recalls case, People versus Foul Ali.
This is the public defender on behalf of Mr. Ali.
Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
Mr. Ali, can you state your name, please?
Ali.
Thank you.
After speaking to my client, he will be waiving his preliminary exam. I have a signed preliminary examination form that I signed with his permission to pursue the AG's offer in circuit court.
Mr. Ali, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and that you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. People also waive their right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on a single count. Mr. Beckett.
Yes, as to the arraignment, we will waive the formal reading of the complaint and my client be standing mute as to the charge.
Defendant name will waive formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
July 17th at 1:30 PM with Judge Slay.
July 17, 2025, 1:30, Judge Slay.
And just to put on the record, my client just wanted to let the court know that he does currently reside in Colorado for his court date. I believe July 17th should be enough time, but he also is the sole caretaker of his 13-year-old child. So I believe July 17th should be enough time for him to figure out his.
Courtrooms aren't built for comfort. They're built for clarity. Every seat creaks, every light hums, every second feels longer than the last. It's not about who talks louder. It's about who endures the silence better. Because silence here is where the truth usually hides.
What they.
All right, bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your client's not here yet?
He did answer, and he said he's logging in.
An iPhone that logged in is, there he is. Court recalls the case People versus Clyde Moore Jr.
Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Chinazzi Carey, I can rule, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Clyde Moore Jr. Mr. Clyde, say your name for the record, please.
Clyde Moore Jr.
All right, I have before me a plea form that indicates that the defendant will be pleading guilty to the charge of disorderly conduct, a 90-day misdemeanor. Upon the successful plea to that charge, count one would be dismissed. That's the court's full understanding of the.
That is our understanding as well, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Moore, can you raise your right hand, please? You solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
State your name for the record.
Clyde Moore Jr.
All right. You can put your hand down. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of disorderly conduct. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You also understand, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Valvo in the 15th District Court.
Yes, sir.
All right. Understanding all of that, still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You gave your attorney permission to sign your advice of rights form. Did they go through it with you?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions regarding any of those rights?
No, sir.
Paragraph 5 indicates your trial rights. You understand that you're giving up those rights as well as other rights on that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal upright.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, sir.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes.
and because you believe that you're indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
Between the dates of August 1st, 2022 and March 31st, 2023 at a location, I guess, in Washtenaw County.
Yes,
Would
sir.
you admit to the fact that by failing to pay your child support, you were committing disorderly conduct by failing to follow that order?
Yes, sir.
All right. Counsel, has the court complied with the court ruling, would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor, on behalf of the people, yes.
Defense is satisfied as well.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing will be June 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Valvo. Bond in this matter will continue. Thank you.
Give you a
Thank
call
you,
in a
Your
minute, Mr. Moore. Thank
All
you,
right. I
Judge.
think, Madam Attorney, that's it for you, right?
It is.
Okay,
Thank
we
you.
Some stories never reach the headlines, but they unfold right here, between the wooden benches and the cold microphones. Small cases, big consequences. Every name called is a universe of mistakes, choices, and second chances colliding under fluorescent light.
Got to it. You'll get to lunch. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a
Bye.
good day.
You too.
Court calls the case, People versus Keith Jimenez.
Alice, on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Mr. Jimenez, when you do get to the lectern, state your name for the court.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, at this time, we would ask the court to set a preliminary exam.
All discovery is complete.
Yes, Your Honor.
Would the people have their witnesses available to 10? Preliminary examination in person, June 10th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Barr. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case, People versus Elton Bell.
As one of the people.
Public Defender Kevin Dadush on behalf of Mr. Bell. Please state your name for the record.
Elton Robert Bell.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we were going to be requesting a brief adjournment so Mr. Bell can come up with more restitution.
Okay, how far off is he? I mean, I don't want to.
I got $50. I got $50 right now.
Okay, a month would be good, Your Honor, but whatever your Honor thinks is best.
Whatever I think is best.
We can request all we want, but it's
That's true.
Your Honor.
You're absolutely
thinks
right.
is best.
Am I here? Do you want to? All right. Probable cause conference without objection will be adjourned July 3rd, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case, People versus Stephen Johnston. Okay, I'm gonna put a tether on him. Where's Bukovich? He has not been up here for any case I've called of his.
Yes. Sorry. Assistant Public Defendant Nicholas Buckovich on behalf of Mr. Johnston.
Your name, sir?
Stephen Johnston, Your Honor.
Thank you. What are we doing?
We'll be requesting a brief adjournment to pursue some negotiations. He also has some matters in the circuit court that we want to possibly reconcile together.
No objection to the adjournment. I did want to approach regarding a bond concern with Mr. Bukovich and with Ms. Senda, if you could, please.
With Ms. Zenda?
Yes.
Oh, dear God, come on.
Nick.